Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to remove update and shutdown option on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing update and shutdown option while trying to shut down your laptop or desktop, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, once you have to click on start menu, then type here services. Click on this services. In this you need to find Windows Update. Just select any one of these service, then type W. After that you have to scroll down. Here you will find Windows Update. You have to double click on that. You can see a startup type. It is selected as automatic. Click on this and select disable. Then click on stop. Click on apply. Then click OK. You can see the services has been disabled. Close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue has been resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can remove update and shutdown option on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.